Da, 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 da.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. So today has just been a lazy day. Like you guys can hear that it has been raining all morning in Abuja today, which is very unlike Abuja rain, because usually in Abuja when it's raining it just rains at once and stops. But today's rain is just falling without stopping for hours, like for hours. Anyways, what is today? Today is Wednesday. I had plans of actually filming today, but this weather, I feel like it's just too dark. There's not enough light and all that, so I don't even know if I may still film today. But I just really want to eat something. I'm so hungry. I actually feel like having plantain and custard. If you eat that combination, let me know in the comment section below. But it's a combo that I've eaten since I was a child. So I have my plantain here. This is the only plantain I even have in my fridge. I wanted to go to the market today, but going to the market, you can see it's raining cats and dogs. I don't even know how I'm going to pick my arrows up from school later, but we shall see. Going to the market is not even possible. Look at the rain. I can't even go to the market today. So I'm going to manage my one finger of plantain. I'm going to make some custard. That's just what I feel like having. Just me and Eliza at home. My husband has gone to work. Mia is in school. And it's a lazy day because it's just raining and I don't have a choice but to eat and just lie in bed all day. It's not my fault. Anyways, let's make this food.
Much later.
Your lips are red because mommy kissed you. Guys, I just finished filming 2 YouTube videos. This child, you don't know that you are heavy, eh? She's trying to show you guys her lips because I kissed her lips and I have my lipstick. Okay, let's kiss again. Kisses. Ew, we have even more red. We have even more red on Mimi's lips.
Want to kiss you?
You want to kiss me again? Look at this girl. There are kisses. Oh! Oh! Meanwhile, this girl is enjoying.
Look my lips.
Oh, look, my lips. My lips. This girl is enjoying her new school. Like, the girl is chillaxing in that school. She's enjoying herself. I'm so happy. Like, I'm actually really happy. My love.
What happened?
What happened? To what?
What do you make?
What are you saying? You're speaking English, it's funny. God, I'm so tired. I filmed 2 videos. This is not even usually my filming time. This is like almost 5 p.m. But it was raining all day today that I couldn't film in the morning. I had to film this evening after the rain had stopped.
I'll qualify.
What did she say?
Qualify.
No. No.
I'll qualify.
What's she saying? Let's wipe that red from your mouth. Now you're back to being a kid again. You want to?
I want to kiss me.
I want to kiss.
I want to kiss mommy.
I want to kiss mommy. Oh, I love you. You want to kiss mommy again and give me work to clean again?
Yeah.
She said yes. I want to kiss mommy. No, I don't want to kiss. I don't want it. I want it. She can't understand why I don't want to kiss her. I don't want to kiss. No. 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 I want to kiss. You want to what? You want kiss? Guys, please. Let me go and eat something. I don't want kiss, man. Not my boss. Yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. So this is what they gave to us as souvenir yesterday, the 50th birthday party that we went for. I believe they are scented candles. Yeah, it has to be scented candles. They gave me one and then gave me one later. I think they only gave the ladies this. So let me even open and see how it looks. So cute, like I can't even lie. Very, very cute. Let's open. As if they know that Alma loves scented candles. You guys saw that in my house tour. Like, I'm obsessed with candles. Every nook and cranny of my house has a candle. It's mad. I love it. I'm low-key hoping that they are different scents, not the same scents. Low-key hoping for that. So right there, that's Mr. Fegs. Congrats at 50, Ferguson Uzoma. Thank you for coming. Oh, that smells really good, guys. It smells very fresh. Oh, I like. I believe they are the same scent at this point. That's what I think. Oh, they're different scents. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god, they are different scents. They are like two totally different scents. Ah, I'm so excited. Ah, I actually love this one more. Ah, they smell so good. Oh wow, I'm so happy that I got two, honestly. I think my mom got one, but I got two and they are two different scents, so I'm so glad. Oh, that's so cool. Yay, I'm excited. Two more candles to add to my growing candle collection. I even have some candles that I haven't even bought yet. Like, I'm that obsessed with candles, guys, and I always get candles as gifts these days, so I don't even have to buy candles. I always get them. I got this package from one of my subscribers recently. Her name is Pauline, if I'm not mistaken. Pauline, and she wanted to send me something. I think she came scared of what, so she sent me this all the way from Lagos, and I can't wait to see what is inside. Ooh. So I think this looks like homemade products. Mama, why? There are a bunch of products here. Oh, and there is a note too. Can you stop mimicking me, please? On the bag it says the Handle Natural Hair Products. There is a note, guys. You guys know I love notes. Oh my god. Hello Alma, I hope this package finds you well. I am sending these fave natural hair products which I picked from my fresh stock of my brand. Oh, I picked these immediately after making them, being with them for a month. I'm sure that it's only the oil that's properly branded, and that is because my flight to Lagos was abrupt. Please use these products from my brand and take them as a gift. Mia Rose can also use some. This is my way of showing love to you. Pauline Study, this was supposed to be a surprise. Aw, thank you so much, Pauline. Oh wow, this is Dahano extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil. This is amazing because I don't actually have coconut oil right now at home, so I'm glad that she sent me this. This is Dahano virgin gold pressed shea butter. Nice. Oh, this is proper Ori. Like, this is, yeah, it has that pungent Ori smell. Okay, and then it says please find coconut oil, chebe butter and shea butter in here. Oh, interesting color. Okay, interesting, but they are for the hair. So thank you so much, Pauline. I definitely will be using this on my hair and also on Mia's hair as well. Thank you so much, guys. Go check her out. Her name is Pauline Study on Instagram, and if I find her brand handle also on Instagram, I'll leave it on the screen. Go check her out. Thank you so much, Pauline. I really appreciate it. I love it when you guys send me stuff. Like, it's always so thoughtful, like coming from subscribers. So thoughtful. Thank you guys so much. Yes, I want to go live on YouTube soon. The last time I went live on YouTube, the first and last time, was in December, and I feel like I'm overdue, long overdue for a live video. I don't know why I always have to over prepare for a live. I don't know why. It's not that big of a deal, but I actually do want to go live on YouTube soon. So if I haven't gone live before this vlog goes up, I will go live most likely after, and I'll probably put up a flyer on my community tab, so check that out, and hope to see you guys in my live because it's going to be fun as usual. If you have any questions for me, that will be the time to ask me questions live, so make sure that you are tuned into my live whenever that is going to be. Okay, all right, I'm starving, guys. Let me go and get something to eat, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. We have new uniform now. We have new uniform now, and it's so cute. Mama, let's see your uniform. Yeah, it's such a pretty uniform, guys. Look, gorgeous. Mimi, she's not even answering me this morning. So freaking cute. Let's wear your shoes.
Much later.
Hey. Hey, God, you guys, I'm laughing, but it's not funny. Okay, I know I look like a grandpa right now with this cap, but please just bear with me, okay? I went out and I just came back like this. So guys, so literally I just checked my AdSense account. If you don't know, if you're not a YouTuber, AdSense is how YouTubers get paid. Mostly, we get paid via AdSense for the ads that display on our videos here on YouTube. I just checked my AdSense account. I knew how much I was going to be paid for the month, but I checked my AdSense account to see how much tax was deducted. And Jesus. And you guys, I don't know. I don't even have the mouth to even say it. Like, I don't even have the mouth to say it. I knew that they would deduct a lot of tax this month because this is for the previous month where I had my viral videos and most of my viewers from the United States. I knew that they would deduct a little bit more than they have deducted in previous months because I did have a lot more US views on my channel in August. And guys, when I checked, I was expecting maybe $300 because previous months it has been $100 and something. I think the first month was $80 something. The second one was about $100 and something. So I knew that because of all of those views from the US, I would get taxed a bit more. But I was thinking maybe like $300 or $400. Guys, my total tax for the month that YouTube took away from me to dash the US government, $891. $891. Call it $900, guys. A whooping $900. I swear I almost cried. I legit had tears in my eyes because I did the mathematics by obviously our current exchange rate. As of today, I think we're on 560 something. That's literally 500k, guys, if not slightly more. 500,000 naira, $500,000 naira on tax. I don't even know I don't know how to feel, guys. I'm looking for the tears to cry. I'm not seeing the tears. I want to cry, but I'm not seeing it. $891. I thought that my eyes were deceiving me. I thought I saw $89. I looked very, very well. $891. Guys, we're in trouble. Oh. Hey, God. No, I'm not in trouble in Jesus' name. I reject it. But still. What? Nah, this is a lot. I don't know why it is the month of August that I got a lot of views and a lot of views from the US. I don't know why it is, in fact, this year safe that YouTube now decided to start doing this tax deduction thing. They would have allowed me to, they would have just waited for me to enter next year. I don't even get, guys. Like, I am just, I don't know. You know what's even funny? What is even funny is that even after that huge amount of tax was deducted, what my take home is still like triple what I was earning. I mean, the months before, the previous months before. So I should not be crying, I shouldn't be sad, but it's a lot of money, guys. I know what 500k can do for me right now. I know. So it is annoying that all of that hard work went back to the freaking US government. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know how to feel, guys. This is alarming. No, guys, I'm not so happy like that. I will not lie. I know what that money can do for me. I would have put that money as down payment for something. It just shows that we have to work like twice as hard 4 times, 5 times, 6 times as hard. It's crazy, guys. It is crazy, but I'm still thankful. I'm still thankful, I will not lie. But that one choke, he paid me. He paid me $900. He paid me. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is the most money that has been taken from your AdSense account in the name of tax? If you're a YouTuber, let me know in the comment section down below, because this is crazy. Like, this is mad. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you enjoyed watching, let me know down below. Subscribe, share, comment. I have a headache. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
To New Jersey, your eyes sing, I'll be worried.